How to pin chats on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin them on the top. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see different contacts and messages. Now hold and tap onto the one that you want to pin. So here I'm tapping on one. So after doing this, don't leave the touch and drag and drop it to this three dot icon on the bottom. So after you do this, here on the top you can see this pin icon. Simply tap on this pin icon and here select pin to top. So after you do this, it has been pinned on the top. Now the chat is on the top and you can easily find it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.